If you want to create custom edge lighting style on a Samsung S25, you have to start by opening Galaxy Store, which should be available somewhere here. Now you have to search for this specific application. You have to just get it on your S25 and open it. Now just wait. And right now go into plugins and scroll for Edge Lighting Plus. Right now, click on the switchers to turn it on and tap to set custom style. So as you can see right here, you can find some recommendations, but also when you click on the plus, you can even get some more, icons or effects, however you call it. Let's get this one, for example. And here we can change color. Maybe I will stay with the red one, and some advanced settings, like you can select an effect. There we go, like this one, this one, this one. So yeah, this one looks pretty cool, and here we can find an additional one, but I will go with this one. And when you click here, you can even change some other things like size of this, like if I want to get very small, for sure, period, like long, amount, many, and rotation, strong. There we go, and we can click done, and it's finished right now. You can additionally style by keyword if you want.